Nice. No, I like that. It's an aspirational, but for a lot of entrepreneurs, that's the whole point of what we're doing, and
Mm.
having that as part of our journey, because too often we think of it as this one way, start something, either fail or, pull a Zuckerberg. But the reality
Yeah,
is,
yeah.
most of us have pretty curving identities. All
Exactly,
right.
and I think that's the lesson I'd like to have learned sooner, which is to get that first exit. To be honest, even if you sell it in 2 3 years for 500,000, that 500,000 creates enough passive income. There are enough things you can do to generate, 15 to 20% return
Yeah.
on that money reasonably passively. Not please don't put it into a business acquisition,
Yeah.
but yeah, in more traditional assets that can give you that sort of return, which is enough to keep the lights on and keep you fed while you go and do something really meaningful and big scale.
All right. Well, I do want to keep wanting